I know you clicked on this video because you are sincerely concerned and bothered and maybe even wondering why the skincare products you've been using haven't even worked for you. Even though these products are recommended by an expert, or you've seen people actually use these products and it works perfectly for their skin. And then you're wondering, I have used this and used that and used that and used almost everything I've been told to use, but yet I don't actually get results for my skin. And if you are one of those, don't worry, there's a solution for you. And this is not one of those random solutions scattered all over the internet. I'm talking to you from experience as an expert that I've seen people go through this. And trust me when I say I have a solution for your concern, right?
I'm trying to get you on my mind, but then again.
Hi guys, if you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Claire. I make educative skincare videos, lifestyle, self-development, here and there. And I share one or two things that life has taught me. And before we actually move into the main reason for this video, if you're just seeing my face for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. That will help me or encourage me, because what I'm trying to dish out here are actually valuable content, right? So subscribing to my YouTube channel is going to help me, all right? Subscribe, share your thoughts in the comment section, like this video if you found it helpful. Don't forget to share if you can. It will be really helpful and I'll appreciate that. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's move into the reason why you clicked on this video actually. So for today's video, we'll be talking about the truth about why skincare product is not working for your skin, even if you've done everything by the book. It might not even be your skin, it might not even be the skincare products, right? It might actually be the little mistakes you don't even realize that you are making, that you don't take note of, right? Like I said today, I'm breaking all of that into 5 reasons. Let me know if you like me to drop part 2 when we are done with. Now, let's start with the first one. Trust me, number 4 is the most important. I left it there so that you'll be relaxed to actually hear it. Now, let's begin. One of the most important things that I've always talked about when it comes to getting results from your skincare products is actually understanding your skin. And understanding your skin starts from actually knowing your skin type and understanding how your skin behaves. Like, you might have the same skin type with somebody, you guys might have the same skin concern, but your skin might just behave differently because you are unique in your own way, right? So you understand your skin, how your skin behaves when it's raining, how it behaves during a different weather, how it behaves when you go out, how it behaves when you are in, how it behaves when you wake up, all of those things. Like, you have to pay close attention to your skin and understand it on a deeper level, right? When you have understood your skin, of course, I'm sure you must have known your skin type, skin concerns, if your skin is sensitive or not. Because imagine that you don't know these basic things about your skin, and then somebody recommends a product, and that product might just be for a dry skin and you have an oily skin, and you purchase that product. You do now see why your skin will get worse, even if that product is effective and is well recommended by an expert. It's definitely not going to work for you. So understand your skin type, your skin concern. Just understand generally how your skin behaves. If you want a deeper explanation about this, just let me know in the comment section and I will definitely make a video about it. Now let's move to number 2. Buying fake products might actually be one of the reasons why you're not getting your desired results. And if you want me to make a video about being able to identify the best kind of product, I'll do that. I'm trying to make sure that this video is not extremely long. Now, when you want to buy a product, try to make sure that you know how to identify the best form of that product, the original. For example, glycolic acid, now there's a fake and there's an original product. And now they even have original fake, right? You might get this product thinking that you've gotten the best, right? And in the process of using this product, you just figure out that this isn't working for me. It might even get your skin worse. It might even make your skin concern even more terrible than it was before you even started using this product. Making sure that a product is original. Also checking for expiry date. A lot of us buy skincare products without even checking if this product has expired or not. Always make sure that you check for expiry date of a skincare product. When you pick a skincare product, look through the badge number. For those of us in Nigeria, make sure that the product has NAFDAC number, FDA if you are not in Nigeria. Make sure that this product is well approved by the authority where you are established or where you live. Also, check the manufacturing dates, check the expiry dates, make sure that this product is also best for your skin. I think number 3 is one of the most important ones that a lot of persons take for granted. And I just hope that you are here to actually listen to what I want to say. Now, let's move to number 3. Using products the wrong way. Yes, it is very, very important to layer your skincare product rightly, right? The fact that you have a skincare product that is great does not automatically mean that you will get the best result out of that product. Oh, you already know what we talked about in number 1 and 2. Putting that in mind, If you do not layer your skincare product right, you will not get the desired result. Let's use an exfoliant for example. I want to use the ordinary glycolic acid toner, exfoliating toner, right? Now this toner, because it contains glycolic acid, which is a very strong exfoliant, strong AHA, it's one of the strongest AHA that we have. When you use it, you have to layer it rightly, because you might buy the original, quite alright, but if you do not layer it well, you will not get your result. Let me know if you want me to give a proper breakdown on how to use glycolic acid toner to get the best result out of it. Before we go into that, when it comes to layering of the skin, I know that a lot of people say move from the light product to the thickest. It's not all black and white, right? Because it doesn't always, it works that way but not completely. For example, if you want to start that way, most times your cleansers are not always, your cleansers are even thicker than your toners, right? But so you see why it's not all that way. You cleanse your skin, just know that you will cleanse your skin, you tone your skin, you will have essence, you use essence if you have essence, which is not really necessary, and then you use a serum, right? Now, when it comes to serum, if you have several serums that you are using, you start from the light serum to the thickest serum, right? You get what I'm trying to say? You don't cleanse your face and then use a serum because you think your serum is lighter than your toner. So you cleanse your skin, you tone your skin, you use essence if you have to, then you use serum. When you're considering your serum, you move from the light form of your serum to the thickest form of your serum. After your serum, you can decide to use your eye cream if you need it. If you don't need it, then you forget about it. After your eye cream, you moisturize your skin and all of that. When it comes to layering skincare products, it's a very broad topic. It's not something I can just quickly talk about in this video. In fact, I think I'm going to make a proper video about it, because when it comes to layering, there are different forms in layering. You have to consider how you layer your skincare products when you're exfoliating. You talk about layering your skincare products when you just want to mask your face. It's different from when you're exfoliating. You talk about layering your skincare products when you just want to protect your skin. You talk about layering your skincare products when you want to treat your skin, right? So they are just different forms. There are no particular order. All you need to know is that basic layering of skin that you need to know is in the morning, you cleanse your skin, you tone your skin, you protect your skin, right? You moisturize and you protect. At night, all you need to do is treat. You know that you have to cleanse, you have to tone, and then you treat. Then, of course, you moisturize, right? I hope that has been helpful. Let's quickly move to the next, which is number 4. Honestly, number 4 is my favorite. I don't even know why I didn't talk about it as number 1, but let's quickly move into it.